Ever pondered how that breath you just took reaches your lungs and keeps you alive? Well, that's the magic of the respiratory system, an intricate network that keeps us oxygenated and functioning. It all starts with the nose, the primary entry point for air. It's not just a simple intake, though. The nose has a critical role in filtering, warming, and humidifying the air we breathe. Tiny hair-like structures called cilia and a sticky substance known as mucus work together to trap any dust, germs, or other undesirable particles. Next, the air travels down the pharynx, a funnel-shaped tube that serves as a passageway for both air and food. Don't worry. A small flap of tissue called the epiglottis ensures that the food and air go their separate ways. It seals off the windpipe during eating, directing food to our esophagus and keeping us from choking. Now we're at the larynx, often known as the voice box, located at the top of the windpipe or trachea. The larynx houses our vocal cords, and as air moves past them, we're able to speak, sing, or shout. The journey continues down the trachea, a tube reinforced with rings of cartilage to prevent it from collapsing. It's here that the air gets another round of cleaning, courtesy of more cilia and mucus. The trachea then splits into two tubes called bronchi, each leading to one of the lungs. The bronchi further divide into smaller tubes called bronchioles, like branches of a tree spreading into the lungs. Inside the lungs, the bronchioles end in tiny air sacs called alveoli. It's here where the magic happens. These millions of alveoli are surrounded by a network of tiny blood vessels or capillaries. Oxygen from the air we breathe passes through the thin walls of the alveoli into the blood in the capillaries. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste product, passes from the blood to the alveoli, ready to be exhaled out. So, in summary, our respiratory system is a well-oiled machine that starts at the nose, filters, warms, and humidifies air, directs it down through the pharynx, larynx, and trachea, into the bronchi and bronchioles, and finally to the alveoli in the lungs where oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange takes place. It is an intricate and efficient system, working tirelessly with each breath we take, and it's all happening right under our nose, literally. Isn't the human body incredible?